First fish. It was my first. It's pretty deep right now, I'd say. As soon as I hit. Did you get one? I just missed one. Dude, I'm telling you, there's fish that can get it here. But you're gonna. Oh, we're gonna be waist deep because the water's up. That was probably the quickest bite I ever got down here. I ain't even lying.
I wasn't expecting that.
First cast. They say it's bad luck.
Well, I ain't had bad luck forever. What do you think I should put on here?
If you want to catch a bunch of little fish, put a rooster tail on.
I was going to catch that. Wasn't a bad fish.
No, that was a big red eye. What you got on yours? I got this little swim jig on mine.
I got a bit spinner.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what it weighs.
It's like an 1/8 ounce. It's crazy what it'll take a swim jig as big as it is. They're still here. I knew the water's gonna feel good as hot as it is today. Yeah, it's nice, ain't it? Yeah. Is it better with that rod?
Huh?
Better with that rod?
Yeah.
Big one. Big one, son. Look at that. Hogs. I'm counting him. Yeah, he got it. Dude, I've caught some big red eyes this year. Huh? You got one too. Look.
Oh, he thought like it was.
I thought that one was big.
Oh.
I'll take it all day.
It hooked him good. That felt bad.
I got pliers if you need them.
Oh, there's a turtle.
Where?
Maybe.
I never see turtles here.
There's a little bit. I thought that was a box.
Dude, that one hit me. The first one hit me actually huge.
He bent the boat.
Is that a fish or a rock?
It's a fish. It's gotta be a fish. Or a fish hung me up.
Huh?
Take a fish hung me
Oh, shit.
up. Something had to do it. Because I was doing my
Got another one. Dude, these red eyes are crazy today. Look. Did you lose him? Yeah, I'll catch red eyes all day like that. You're probably bouncing off rocks. It's real shallow where you're at. I don't think I've ever caught that many red eye at one time.
There's something doing it. You can feel it taking.
I caught more fish today than I caught all year. Aren't you glad you came out here now?
It's always fun if you get-
In a rock? Walk out there.
I'm not bending down to grab it.
Yeah, you are. Why?
I think it is.
You ain't got a shirt on or a backpack or something.
Put it on top of your head. That's what I do.
What?
I put it on top of my head. I ain't even kidding.
Put my whole reel.
Told you it was shallow right there. Take that and cast down that grass.
I'm not gonna go in it 'cause I'll end up catching it. I already know what a bite feels like anymore. I don't be getting nothing, dude. Nothing.
Got one. Look, Carter caught his first fish.
Oh, yeah. That's the year.
First fish of the year.
I think like last year too, honestly.
Red eye?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was the red, so. Hey, I set the shit out that hook.
Oh, dude, they're taking them. Did you miss one? There you go. I told you switch the lure.
Yeah, that little guy was not about to grab that hook I had.
That hook's made for big bass.
I got a fish or something over here touching my leg.
Yeah, I got a little guppy.
Yeah. dead skin on it after you leave here.
I should have let it, huh? It's a rock.
It barely went.
You know why they're doing it? Because y'all are pasty. They don't do it to me.
The only part that it's like on there is like it feels so good. I think we're doing good.
They might be.
Like, damn, I have to flash my tattoo. I don't know.
I like to catch a big hog, but I'm happy I done caught 3 or 4. Well, the last time we were all together, it took 6 hours to catch a fish. I really think it's because y'all are super white. You need to loosen that thing up where it'll cast.
I didn't throw it that hard.
Got one. Another one. Look at the size of that one. Something took a bite out of his tail. The other one. All I've caught's red eye. All I've caught's red eyes.